hoping to have probably close to 45 units. That's what we envision for that particular piece of property.
Here in tiny town, ain't nothing moving fast. Everything is much the same as when you seen it last.
There'll probably be like 220 square foot, which is mandated by the state.
Mornings last forever, and the evenings through the night, and the whirlwind of
Plan
the
on
sea.
using them as transitional housing to sort of move people out of homelessness. Within the 18 to 24 month period, we hope to move them into some other mainstream locations, help with jobs, training, and just several different projects that we have envisioned for the future. Mainly, we're just looking to try to get people off the street in a safe environment, which we really don't have now in DeSoto County at all.
Greetings come from tiny town.
Looked out my window at 8 o'clock, counted SUVs pulling into the lot. Took off my helmet and took a deep breath in. Heck of a ride today, ha! I beat 'em again. My bicycle goes so fast, I can jump the curbs, I can slip through the cracks. I'll never pay a cent to the DMV. I'm under the radar and I'm powered by me. Na, 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 na.
There you go.
Thank you.
Look, ma, no hands. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. I ride my B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. I ride B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. Y-C-L-E. My friend Judy likes to ride through the puddles. Sometimes she gets stuck in the middle. She falls over and she gets real muddy. It doesn't matter 'cause Jude's still my buddy.
Bicycle, bicycle, how I love you. Bicycle, bicycle, things that we do. Ride around in circles for hours at a time. Bicycle, bicycle, I'm so glad you're mine. Bicycle, bicycle, better than a car. With spokes on my wheels and shiny handlebars. With the wind in my hair and the pedals under my feet. Bicycle, bicycle, fly over concrete. Bicycle, bicycle, just before dark. Down rolling hills and into the park. Can you hear the frogs singing? Do you hear the crickets cry? Bicycle, bicycle, away we fly. Bicycle, bicycle, I'm so glad you're mine. Bicycle, bicycle, I'm so glad you're mine.
On my bike. Now I've got a bike that I really like, and it's painted all green and blue. You can hear the bell ring when I'm doing the thing that I really like to do. Riding down the street, pushing pedals with my feet, and if I happen to see you, I'll say, now look at me on my bike. Look at me on my bike.